Good afternoon, sir. I am Lasimada Julia Marie from A161. I am sorry if you can hear some electric from my background because my phone is overheating. So I will be answering the question number 1. What specific goals and purpose does your meal plan aim to achieve? I usually eat chicken breast, egg, and carbs, especially carbs. Carbs serves a lot of purpose to my body because I do run. I am an athlete, so carbs will serve as a fuel for me, for my body. For carbs, I do rice, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and all. For my protein chicken breast and eggs. For my vitamins or some nutrients for my body, it's vegetables. I do usually take that because I also go to the gym, so I need protein for muscles because protein builds muscles. So question number 2 po is, what is the daily calorie intake you intend to maintain? My fitness, I am tracking my nutrients through my fitness pal. So I usually do 1/8 my for me to maintain my weight. But if I want to lose weight, I do take 1,200 to 1,500 a day po. Number 3, did you ensure that all the nutrients in your meal plan were balanced? If you did, explain how you achieved that balance. If not, what was the reason? So, I can say that mostly of my meal plan are balanced, but there were days where I cannot force, I cannot stop myself from eating fast foods, especially on special days po. Number 4, explain the overall health benefits of the meal plan that you created. Explain the overall health benefits. So as what I have said, usually it serves a fuel to my body. It gives me protein, vitamins, and carbs helps me to be energetic and not feeling too lazy for the day. Number 5 is, if someone is open to adopting and following your diet, what would you recommend? I think for some who wants to do running, who wants to do cardio, I would recommend my meal plan. But if they love to just lower their calorie intake or just be on a diet or just go to the gym, I won't recommend my calorie because my diet plan, because as what I have said, I have carbs. I take a lot of carbs because I am madly in love on doing cardio. So yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you so much po, sir.